Hello guys, how are you? I hope you will be fine. So today our topic is how to make money with Android app. First of all, like my video and subscribe my Electro Inside channel. So let's start. As an Android developer, you will likely put in a lot of time and effort into creating your app, but how can you monetize your work and turn it into a profitable venture? This guide will explore the various ways you can make money with your Android app. So advertisement and in-app purchase. Number one, advertisement. So one of the simplest way to monetize your app into by displaying ads within it. You can sign up for an advertising platform such as AdMobile or Startup and display ads in your app. Every time a user clicks on an ad, you will earn a small amount of money. This monetization method works best with free apps that have a large number of downloads and active users. So number two, we have in-app purchase. Another popular way to monetize your app is by offering in-app purchase. This can include the premium features or virtual good that users can buy within your app. For example, you could offer a basic version of your app for free and then charge for additional features or upgrades. This method works best with apps that have a strong engaged user base and provide the significant value. Number three, we have subscriptions. If you're an app provider ongoing using to content or services, you should offer a subscription to users. For example, you could charge a monthly fee for access to exclusive content or premium features. This method work well for app than offering ongoing value of the users. So number four, we have paid apps. Another option is to simply charge users for downloading your apps. While this method may limit the number of the downloads, it can be lucrative options for high quality unique apps with a strong value proposition. So affiliate marketing. You can also earn money by promoting other companies, products, or services within your app. This is known as affiliate marketing. For example, you could promote your product or services and receive a commission for each sale made through your app. This method works best for apps that have a large engaged user base and a relevant target audience. So number six, we have sponsorship. Another way to monetize your app is by partnering with a brand to promote their products within your app. This could include sponsored content or advertising within your app. This method works best for apps with a large user base and a strong reputation. So next we have the freemium model. Finally, you can offer a basic version of your app for free and charge for the advanced features. This is known as the freemium model. This method works well for apps that provide the significant value to users and can be used in combination with other monetization methods such as in-app purchases or subscriptions. For example, let's see how it works. The freemium model is a popular monetization strategy where a basic version of an app is offered for free, but users must pay for advanced features or premium content. Here are some examples for popular freemium and model applications. Number one, Spotify, Dropbox, Candy Crush. Next is the LinkedIn and Evernote. So first of all, Spotify, the music streaming services offer a free ad-supported version of its apps, but users can upgrade to the premium subscription for an ad-free experience and additional features. So Dropbox, the cloud storage services offer a free version for its apps with limited storage space, but users can upgrade to a paid plan for more storage and additional features. Candy Crush is the popular mobile game, is free to download and play, but users can purchase the additionally live powers up and level unlock to progress through the game more quickly. So LinkedIn. Next is the LinkedIn. The professional networking platform offers a free version of its app, but users can upgrade to a premium subscription for additional features such as the ability to see who has viewed their profile and the ability to apply to jobs without a public profile. Evernote, the Not Talking and Organizational app offers a free version of its apps, but users can upgrade to a premium subscription for additional features such as the offline access, increase the storage and the advanced security features. So there are just a few examples for the many popular freemium model applications available by offering a basic versions of the app offer and the free charging of the advanced features. Developers can attract a large users for the base and generate the revenue for those who are willing to pay for additional value. Next, we have in conclusion in our next post, you will deliver deeper into the different monetization strategies and the techniques that Android developers can use maximize their revenue and everything. So your feedback is important for this. Thanks for watching this video. Like my video and subscribe my Electro Inside channel. Thank you. Goodbye.